Imagine opening your fridge and finding a full week of delicious meals, all ready to go, perfectly balanced with low-carb, high-protein foods. That's the magic of meal prep low-carb, high-protein plans. You save time, stay consistent, and never stress about what to eat next. In this video, I'll show you how meal prepping can help you burn fat, build muscle, and stay full with simple recipes. We'll cover what to eat, what to avoid, easy recipes, and even a 7-day plan you can follow. Whether you're new to meal prep or just looking for better ideas, this video will guide you step by step. By the end, you'll be ready to fuel your body the right way. So let's start with the basics. Why does meal prep actually work? Have you ever gotten home after a long day, opened the fridge, and realized there's nothing healthy to eat? That's usually when we reach for fast food or snacks. This is exactly where meal prep comes in. Prepping your low-carb, high-protein meals ahead of time helps you avoid those last-minute, unhealthy decisions. When you meal prep, you 1. Save time during busy weekdays. 2. Control your portions. 3. Reduce temptation from junk food. 4. Keep your carbs in check while still getting enough protein for muscle repair and fat loss. With a fridge full of prepped meals, you don't have to think twice, you already have delicious, healthy food ready. That's how you stay on track effortlessly. Now that you know why meal prep works, let's talk about the real magic, the benefits of a low-carb, high-protein diet itself. Imagine eating meals that not only taste great but also keep you full for hours, help you burn fat, and give you steady energy all day long. That's the power of a low-carb, high-protein diet. Cutting back on carbs, while increasing protein, creates a powerful effect. Your body switches to burning fat for energy while keeping your muscles strong. Let's break down the benefits. 1. It accelerates fat burning while preserving lean muscle. 2. It reduces cravings and keeps you satisfied longer. 3. It improves blood sugar balance and boosts energy levels. 4. It helps with faster recovery after workouts. 5. And most importantly, it encourages a long-term, sustainable lifestyle change. This diet isn't about restriction, it's about fueling your body with the right nutrients to help you look, feel, and perform at your best. Now that you know the benefits, let's get practical. Which foods should you actually include in your meal prep low-carb, high-protein plan? The secret to a successful low-carb, high-protein meal prep isn't complicated. It all comes down to choosing the right foods. When you stock up on the right staples, you'll always have the building blocks for meals that are filling, fat-burning, and muscle-supporting. Let's break it down. Proteins: chicken breast, turkey, salmon, tuna, lean beef, eggs, tofu. Low-carb veggies: broccoli, spinach, zucchini, kale, cauliflower, asparagus. Healthy fats: avocado, olive oil, nuts, seeds. Extras: Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and plenty of herbs and spices for flavor. With these foods in your kitchen, you'll have endless options for quick, balanced meals that fuel your body and keep you satisfied. But just as important as what you should eat is knowing what to avoid. In the next chapter, let's talk about the foods that can sabotage your low-carb, high-protein meal prep plan. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a low-carb, high-protein meal prep is sneaking in foods that secretly spike carbs and sugar. These foods might taste good, but they can completely sabotage your fat loss and energy levels. Here, what to avoid: processed carbs like bread, pasta, rice, and chips. Sugary drinks and snacks, they add empty calories. Starchy veggies such as potatoes, corn, and peas. High-sugar fruits like bananas, grapes, and mango, and those sneaky prepackaged sauces that are loaded with sugar. By cutting these out, or at least limiting them, you'll stay on track, burn more fat, and keep your body fueled the right way. Now that we know what to avoid, let's put it all together into a simple plan. In the next chapter, I'll share a 7-day meal prep low-carb, high-protein plan you can start using right away. Meal prep doesn't have to be boring. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create delicious low-carb, high-protein meals that actually taste amazing. First up, we have juicy grilled chicken paired with spiced cauliflower rice. It's high in protein, low in carbs, and perfect for lunch or dinner. Next, baked salmon with garlic zucchini noodles. This dish is light, flavorful, and full of healthy omega-3 fats to fuel your brain and body. Third recipe, protein-packed turkey meatballs with sautéed spinach, a simple, hearty option that works great for batch cooking. For breakfast on the go, try egg muffins with chopped veggies. These are portable, customizable, and keep you full until lunch. And finally, beef stir-fry with broccoli, quick to make, loaded with protein, and so satisfying with a simple soy sesame sauce. These 5 recipes are easy, affordable, and perfect for rotating through the week. They'll keep your meal prep exciting without ever feeling repetitive. Now that we've covered recipes, let's take it one step further. I'll show you a full 7-day low-carb, high-protein meal prep plan you can follow to stay on track all week long. Let's kick off the week strong. For breakfast, enjoy egg muffins packed with protein and veggies. At lunch, a refreshing chicken salad that's both light and filling. And for dinner, baked salmon with zucchini noodles, low-carb, full of flavor. On day 2, start your morning with a creamy Greek yogurt bowl topped with nuts and seeds. For lunch, juicy turkey meatballs with sautéed spinach. Dinner wraps up with a savory beef stir-fry, quick, satisfying, and packed with protein. Breakfast today is scrambled eggs with fresh spinach, simple yet powerful. At lunch, a tuna salad wrap that's light but keeps you full. For dinner, classic grilled chicken with broccoli, comfort food done healthy. For day 4, cottage cheese with nuts makes a protein-rich breakfast. At lunch, shrimp with cauliflower rice, light yet energizing. Dinner is baked salmon with kale, giving you a dose of omega-3s and fiber. Day 5 starts with a protein smoothie to kick off your morning. Lunch is egg muffins again, prep once, enjoy twice. Dinner is a turkey burger bowl, hearty and satisfying without the carbs. Breakfast is simple with hard-boiled eggs you prepped in bulk. At lunch, that beef stir-fry makes another appearance, it's too good not to repeat. And for dinner, grilled chicken with asparagus, lean and energizing. Finally, day 7 starts with Greek yogurt again, quick and refreshing. Lunch features a salmon salad that's light and filling. Dinner is roast chicken with zucchini, a perfect way to end the week with balance. This 7-day plan gives you structure without being boring. Rotate your proteins, switch up veggies, and you'll have a system that works week after week. Now that you have your plan, let's go over some meal prep tips for success, so your week stays smooth and stress-free. The smartest way to save time is to pick 2 or 3 proteins like chicken, salmon, or turkey, and cook them all at once. This way, you'll always have a ready-to-go protein base for your meals. Storing your meals in reusable glass containers not only keeps food fresh, but also makes it easy to grab and go during busy weekdays. Plus, they're microwave and oven safe. Always build your plates with balance: 1 portion of protein, 1 portion of veggies, and a bit of healthy fat. This helps you stay on track with macros and keeps every meal satisfying. Don't forget snacks. Boiled eggs, cheese sticks, or Greek yogurt cups are lifesavers when hunger strikes between meals. Prepping them prevents impulsive junk food choices. Stick to simple herbs and spices like garlic, paprika, or fresh herbs to keep meals flavorful but not overwhelming. This way, you avoid meal fatigue and still look forward to eating. These small tweaks make a huge difference. With the right system, your meal prep becomes easy, delicious, and sustainable. Now let's talk about what not to do: common mistakes that can ruin your meal prep and how to avoid them. One of the biggest mistakes is prepping too much food in one go. By the end of the week, some meals may spoil, leading to waste. Instead, prep 3-4 days worth and refresh midweek. If you cook the same dish every week, you'll quickly get bored. Switch up proteins, veggies, and seasonings to keep meals exciting and sustainable. Many people forget to prep snacks. Without them, you'll likely overeat at mealtime. Small, high-protein snacks help you stay full and balanced throughout the day. Meal prep is only effective if you hit your macros. Skipping this step often means not getting enough protein or eating too much fat. Use a tracker or app to stay consistent. While healthy fats are important, going overboard with oils, cheese, or nuts can slow fat loss. Balance is key. Use fats moderately. Avoiding these mistakes will keep your meal prep effective, enjoyable, and sustainable for the long term. Now that you know the do's and don'ts, let's wrap it all up with a simple conclusion to keep you motivated. Meal prepping with a low-carb, high-protein plan isn't just about saving time, it's about building a lifestyle. With the right recipes, balance, and strategy, you'll fuel your body, lose fat, and feel amazing every single day. Remember, you don't have to start perfect. Even prepping just 2-3 meals a week can make a huge difference. Over time, it becomes second nature. Think of meal prep as your personal tool for success. It keeps you from late-night junk food, helps you reach your protein goals, and supports fat loss while keeping you full and satisfied. If this video gave you ideas and inspiration, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use meal prep motivation. Let's stay fit and full together. Thanks for watching, and here's to your best week yet with simple, delicious, and healthy meal prep low-carb high-protein recipes.